So a little review on the remainder theorem that we went over in section 2.4. When we divide a polynomial f of x by some factor x minus c, we know that the remainder is going to be the same as f of c, meaning that the remainder is going to be the same as if I were to substitute c in for x into the function and evaluate it. So just a little note that you could either find f of c by direct substitution, which is what you are used to doing, or by synthetic substitution, which is really just synthetic division, but you're just looking at the remainder. So what does it all mean? This theorem says that if you want to divide, for example, f of x equals x cubed plus 5x squared plus 5x minus 2 by a factor x minus 2, the remainder of this division process will be the same as what you would get by directly subbing in a 2 for x, or it will be the last number in the synthetic division process, which is really the remainder. And we can verify that. So let's go ahead and verify using direct substitution. And also synthetic division. So let's do direct substitution. If I were to sub 2 in for x, we would get 2 cubed plus 5x, or 5/2 squared, 5 times 2 squared, plus 5 times 2 minus 2. Go ahead and evaluate that, and then verify using substitution, synthetic division. So another way would be to synthetically divide. So my coefficients are 1, 5, 5, and 2, and check to see if the remainder is the same. So you can go ahead and work on that with your group and verify and check each other's answers. And you can stop here and then check back later to check to see if you have the same answer. I'm just going to go ahead and do this out, but you do this with your group. So 2 cubed, I have 8 plus 20 plus 10 minus 2. So that's going to be 20 plus 10 is 30. 38 minus 2 is 36. Let's see if the remainder is the same using the remainder theorem. So 1 times 2 is 2. That's 7. Times 2 is 14. 14. That's 19. And oops, I missed a -2 here. Should have been a -2. So that's going to give me 38 and then 36. And so we can verify that according to the remainder theorem, f of 2 is 36, and when I divide the function f of x by my factor x minus 2, the remainder is also 36. So they are the same.